severe thunderstorm warning for Mason County, Robertson County, northwestern Lewis County in northeastern Kentucky, southern Bracken County, southeastern Pendleton County, southeastern Brown County in southwestern Ohio, southern Adams County in southwestern Ohio, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Cynthiana, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Maysville, Washington, West Union, Manchester, Ripley, Aberdeen, Vanceburg, Lewisburg, Brooksville, Rome, Toolsboro, Mount Olivet, Germantown, Sardis, Concord, Browning Corner, Trinity, Eureka, Stonewall, and Mays Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Fayette County, Ohio, southeastern Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, central Highland County in southwestern Ohio, until 8 p.m. At 7:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lynchburg, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hillsboro, Greenfield, Lynchburg, Leesburg, New Vienna, Rocky Fort Point, Highland Holiday, Russell, Stunton, New Market, Highland, Rocky Fork Lake, East Monroe, Danville in Highland County, Samantha, Rainsboro, Rock Mills, State Route 136 at U.S. Route 62, New Martinsburg and Highland County Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.